In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch all the Netflix shows available, and yeah, you're gonna need a VPN for this one. And to make it super easy for you, I've got links down in the description and a QR code on the screen where you can just grab some solid deals on VPNs that I personally recommend. All right, so why does Netflix have different shows in different places? The easiest way to think about it is that Netflix doesn't own everything outright. Often, rights to shows and movies are sold or licensed per region. So what's available in the US might not legally be available at all if another company holds the rights there. Plus, Netflix updates its catalog all the time as contracts come up or expire. Some shows or movies pop in and out depending on the month, which is why you might have noticed something you wanted to watch suddenly disappearing. If you don't want to mess with VPNs right away, there are still plenty of legit ways to find more awesome titles within your regional Netflix. One trick you can use is the language and audio or subtitle filters Netflix offers. This can surface a whole bunch of international shows you might actually enjoy but wouldn't see otherwise. Also, Netflix has these hidden genre codes that are a little sneaky but cool. Things like Korean dramas, Nordic thrillers, or period pieces that often dig deeper into the back catalog than the usual rows you see on the homepage. Another thing is to try is refreshing your recommendations. Add some shows or movies to your list, give thumbs up, and watch about 10 to 15 minutes of a new genre or a type of show you're not used to. This tells Netflix to throw some fresh picks your way. And if you find a title that's just not in your country's Netflix, you can look it up with a streaming guide app or website to see if it's available on another platform around you legally. Okay, back to VPNs. The big reason people use them with Netflix is to access shows and movies that are normally locked to certain regions. By connecting through a server in another country, a VPN makes it look like you're watching from there, which can open up whole different libraries you wouldn't see otherwise. Now, of course, the added bonus is that you still get the privacy and security benefits. Your connection is encrypted, your IP is masked, and it's much harder for anyone to track what you're doing online. Just keep in mind that Netflix is always updating how it handles VPN traffic, so results can vary depending on the day and the server you pick. But how do you choose the right VPN? Well, you need to look for ones that have had independent audits and have solid no logs policies, so you know your data really isn't being stored. Speed matters too, so go for providers using fast protocols like WireGuard and that have strong, reliable server networks. Also, check that they have apps for all your devices, whether that's your TV, mobile, desktop, or even browser extensions. Device limits can be a factor if you want to share it with family or use multiple gadgets at once. Features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection are must-haves so your data stays protected in unexpected connection drops. Now, to make things smoother, I've tested a few VPNs that check all these boxes and come with some sweet discounts for you. Surfshark VPN is one of the easiest picks for streaming because you can connect unlimited devices at once, and right now you can get 60% off plus 3 free months through the links or QR code you see. Now, NordVPN is known for being one of the fastest and most secure options, so your Netflix streams stay smooth and private, and they're offering up to 74% off plus 3 free months as well. TotalVPN is the budget-friendly choice, coming in at 80% off, perfect if you just want a simple way to unlock content without overspending. And CyberGhost VPN has one of the largest server networks out there, so finding a server that works with Netflix is much easier, and their deal gives you 84% off plus 4 free months. And lastly, there's NortonVPN, which ties in with Norton's trusted security suite. So if you want a reliable brand with extra protection, you can get up to $35 off. Just make sure to use the link below or scan the QR code on screen to grab those deals. Now, I'm curious. What's the one show you wish were available on your Netflix right now, and have you tried using any VPNs before? Go ahead, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments down below. I love hearing what you guys have to think.